Today we'll be making a robot together with my bird robot.
Check out this gear. It's perfectly calibrated, see the teeth? If we connect the main rotor right here, the torque output will increase by 40%.
Check this out. It's the central gear for my new propulsion system. It took me 3 weeks to calibrate, but look how smoothly it spins. Hey, want to build a robot with me? I have all the parts we need right here. Let's get started.
It is so great to finally meet you in person.
The pleasure is all mine, human friend. Shall we initiate the friendship protocol handshake?
Look at the castle. It's amazing.